welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can use your recovery key in your Apple ID. So in order to do that, all you need to do is just open settings, and now just go ahead on the search bar and you can just type in recovery key, or you can just go to this Apple ID option, tap on sign in security, and you'll find this account recovery over here. Just open it. So as you can see, my recovery key is off, so you just need to turn the recovery key on. So once you tap on manage, you'll see this option. It says that using a recovery key increases the security of your account. When you create one, the only way to reset your password is by using another device already signed in with your Apple ID or by entering your recovery key. So guys, just turn this on. If you lose your recovery key and cannot access your device, Apple will not be able to help you regain access to your account or your data. So guys, it's very important that you remember your recovery key, because if you lose your recovery key, you cannot access your data. So if you want to use a recovery key, all you need to do is just tap on use recovery key. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. If you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.